Inspiration is a wonderful thing, and you'll find plenty at the African Heritage Cultural Arts Center. This unique fine arts center is a place to build dreams. Founded in 1975, the center provides training for young people in the performing, visual, and media arts. These kids are learning the art of the dance. Classes cover all kinds of movement, from African tribal dances to ballet and modern dance too. It's fun and gives these students a solid foundation for a future in the arts. There are classes and workshops in drama and music. The programs and classes are designed at various levels for all ages, whether it's playing in the band or singing in the choir. Master teachers make sure the kids train to their potential. When a student gets to a certain point in their instruction, they might join one of several in-house companies, like The Addition, a resident artist dance group, or the Voices of Heritage Choir. They give these young people the opportunity to get the performing experience they need. In fact, many of these kids eventually go on to college with scholarships in the fine arts. There are visual art classes here, like fashion design, and a gallery to display students' work, as well as special exhibitions. This show features traditional African pieces that are used in rituals and come from many different African nations. Dedicated professionals and lots of raw talent. It's a combination that provides opportunity and inspiration to these students who dream of careers in the arts. The African Heritage Cultural Arts Center is open every day, so stop on by and see what's going on.